guys are all doing very well. Welcome to the video today. In this video, I'm going to be doing, showing you guys something that's quite important to me. I've been watching a lot of other videos, especially some outdoor channels, and they're doing videos on what's inside their tackle box. And that's what the title of this video is. So I've got my tackle box here. This one I got for, I believe I got it for a birthday or something. Can't remember. It's by a company called Plano, P-L-A-N-O Tackle Systems. And I'm going to show you guys what I keep inside my tackle box. Now, a tackle that I use for fishing. I don't do a lot of fishing as much as I used to. So this tackle box maybe gets used maybe less than 5 times a year. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I've got in here. I'll pull up some of my favorite tackle. And if you guys are an outdoor channel, or if you guys like fishing, please leave me a comment in the comment section on what is your favorite tackle. What is inside your tackle box. As well as if you're new to the channel, please do give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Without further ado, let's open up my tackle box and I'll show you guys what I've got inside. So my tackle box is pretty standard. It's a 3-tier tackle box. It's not like, it doesn't have a lot of stuff in it, I can tell you that right now, but it does have quite a bit. As you can see here, I've got the three tier. It's very, I've had this tackle box for a long time. So, I'll go ahead and I'll talk about some of my favorite lures. And ones that I've actually caught a lot of fish on. So the first lure I'll show you guys, I got this guy at I believe I got this at Bass Pro Shop. This is the Jawbreaker. See it? It's got the nice big hook at the bottom. This one's very heavy. It's good for catching bass, pike, walleye, and yeah, I've caught a couple smallmouth bass with it. I haven't really caught any pike or anything. We don't go to a lot of lakes that have pike fishing, that have pike in it. Sorry, but yeah, I got this at the Bass Pro Shop. I think it was like. I think it was $5. Yeah, Jawbreaker. It's a good color. Like I said, it's very heavy. It's like a spinner. Once it's in the water, it does spin. So that's probably one of my go-to ones. I like to go with. I like to start off with. This guy here. This is one of my older ones. I've actually caught quite a bit of fish on here. I can't remember where I got this one from. I think I got this one from a tackle store in Guelph. Guelph is where I'm from. You can see the hook right there. I've caught a pike on this one for sure. And I've also I had another one of these, and I don't know what it was. It might have been a catfish, or it might have been a carp. I can't remember. But we went fishing at LaSalle Park, which is the marina here in Burlington. And I was using one of these. I had another one, and I had the fish right up, like out of the water, and then it decided to take a nosedive. And when it nosedived, it broke the line, it broke my rod, and it took my bait with it. So I had another one. I had 2 of these at one time. So I don't know what that other fish was, but I'm glad I still have that one. Oh yes, I've got another one here. When I was at Bass Pro Shop, I bought this one as well. This is my imitation frog. Really good for bass. It says it's good for catching walleye as well. It's the frog. So it's a soft bait. It's got these things at the end. And yeah, it's got the two, I don't know if you guys can see that right there. One hook here and one hook on that side. I caught a smallmouth with this, and that was it. And then I bought this one here. It's one of my rattles. I got this at a sale. I think I paid like $4 for this one. Here it's got a rattle in it. I haven't caught anything with this one yet. And then I've got my spoons. So I got this one here, which is the gold plated. It's got the two little ones here. It's got the three hook. I haven't caught nothing on that one. But I always like to try these ones out. They're good for trout fishing. This one's a good one too. This one apparently glows in the dark. So you light it up and it glows in the dark at night. These little tiny ones. This one's pretty cool too. It's supposed to look like a leech, I guess, or a gecko, water gecko, or whatever you want to call it. Haven't used that one out on the water yet. I bought these ones. I only have a couple. I bought like a 3-pack. They're supposed to be like the minnows. So it's got the 3 hook down at the bottom underneath it, and it's got one on top, which is where I'm holding. These are supposed to be good for catching bass, and as well as pike and walleye. That's what they said on the package, but I have never caught anything with this. But I like having those in there. I think that's really it. I got a lot of line. I've got hooks, I've got bobbers. I've got my reels in here, which has like hooks and sinkers. I've got my fishing towel, which is fairly used and abused with fish and worms and everything on it. I've got some stuff here. These are soft and chewy Slurpees Pro Series, salted and spiced soy sauce, supercharged with soy sauce, fish flakes. This, haven't even used this yet. Got this, I think I got this for Christmas or something. I got that. spinner pack, which is here. Got a bunch of these little ones. So I've got some grubs. And those are grubs there. Fish scale and measuring, which is an awesome tool. This just comes out. The hook comes out here, and you just weighs. That's what you weigh the fish with. So I got that. I've got Gulp Alive. So these are supercharged. We've got the Crazy Leg Grub. This is my worm cutting knife. I've got mine in here. I've got scissors. Good pair of scissors. Fishing bobbers. Anchors. And this is for holding fish. You can use this. I did have a chain thing in here a long time ago, but I don't know where that went. And yeah, I got these two floating bobbers as well. So those two. I've got the yellow, orange one, and I've got the red and white traditional ones. So yeah, that's what's inside my my tackle box. It'd be cool to see what you guys have in yours. Like I said, I've been watching a lot of like outdoor videos when I've had a chance. Just because it's nice here now. Fishing season is in full effect now. A lot of the lakes are full. We had a lot of rain, and I would love to be able to get out there and do some more fishing, but I just haven't been able to. But if you guys are outdoors and you have tackle and you like to want to share with some of your fishing stories, like I said, please do leave a comment and let me know. And if you guys want to show me what's inside your tackle box, leave me a link in the comments below. I'll definitely try to check them out. And yeah, like I said, please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. I'm trying to make some content here and there whenever I have time. Like I said, I haven't been able to really watch a lot of videos. Whenever I get a chance when I'm not working, it's been pretty crazy the last few weeks. But I am trying my best to get some videos in and watching some content. And yeah, I'm really into watching tackle videos right now. For some reason, I'm watching a lot of outdoor stuff. So keep on making those good content videos. I will definitely try my best to check out some of the other channels who have been watching me. Anyway, I've been rambling on now for 14 minutes here. As I always say in my videos, please be happy, stay happy. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching the videos. As I always say, hope you guys are all well, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye for now.